In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit infrared photos in Capture One Pro. Infrared files often come in looking surreal, with strong color casts and unexpected tones. That's normal, and with a couple of focus tools, you can quickly bring them into a clean, flexible starting point and then add creative color grading for mood. Begin by selecting your infrared photo in the browser so you're looking at the image you want to correct. Working from the raw file is ideal because it gives you the most latitude for white balance adjustments. Once the photo is active, head to the White Balance tool. You'll find it in the Color section of the interface, and it includes a temperature slider, a tint slider, and an eyedropper. Start with the eyedropper. Click it, then sample something in the image that you know should be neutral. Ideally, a white, gray, or any genuinely neutral tone if one is visible. This tells Capture One what neutral looks like in your scene, and the software will adjust temperature and tint to remove the color cast. Infrared scenes can be deceptive, so after sampling, take a moment to evaluate the result. Look for clean highlights that read as crisp white rather than pink, blue, or yellow. If needed, try a few different neutral spots and choose the most natural-looking balance. If your scene doesn't contain a clear neutral, move to manual adjustment. Drag the temperature slider quite low. Infrared files often require a significantly cooler temperature to neutralize that heavy cast. Then fine-tune with the tint slider. Work slowly and watch the whites and near neutrals. Aim for a balanced, believable base where the foliage, sky, and key subjects don't feel stained by any one color. Viewing at 100% can help you judge subtle shifts. If you push too far, reset and make smaller moves. With a solid white balance established, open the Color Balance tool to add creative mood. This tool lets you tint the shadows, midtones, and highlights independently using 3 color wheels. Keep adjustments subtle. A gentle, cool push in the shadows can enhance depth, while a slightly warm nudge in the highlights can add glow and contrast to the scene. For an airy look, try cooler highlights and neutral midtones. For a more cinematic feel, warm midtones against cooler shadows can work beautifully. Make small, intentional moves and toggle the tool on and off to confirm you're enhancing, not overwhelming, the image. That's it. Select, balance for neutrality, then add tasteful color splits for mood. With these steps, your infrared photos will look clean, stylized, and ready to share.